Totoo ba yung sinabi mo sa harap ng puntod ng asawa ko?
Yes, sir. I have and will always protect your daughter.
Siguraduhin mo lang.
Ikaw si Ninja Boy. Lubes ka nagsinungaling sa akin.
Alam mo, Kimberly, mabuti nga yan. Mas nagkakakilala kayong mas maigi. Baka nga mabuti, wag na muna kayo magkita ni Brandon eh.
Galit sila. That's why it's best na bukas na lang kayo bumisita.
I'm sorry, Mom. Kasalanan ko to. Lagi na nagugulong pamilya dahil sa akin.
Anak, it's time for you to stop blaming yourself for everything.
Mom, what are you doing here?
Cyrus told me, si Kim pala yung sinasabi mong helping you cope.
We're not doing so well right now, Mom.
I know. Galit sila sa'yo.
Ang kapal ng mukha mo.
Let's paint the sky in different lights, holding on to what we could be, gonna make it bright. Open the eyes to the rain coming down on sunny days. Sacrifices.
Boss, andito pala kayo.
Wait, ba't nakapang-office ka? I'm ordering you na bawal kang pumasok sa opisina.
You're leaving us all over again.
Ma, I did what I sent out to do here. To make amends. Now it's up to Brandon kung kaya niya ako patawarin.
What do you think about these?
Sir, mabenta po sa amin yan, lalo na sa mag-asawa.
Perfect. Kunin na namin to. Sakto, my wife here really loves it. Huh? No, she's waiting.